Join me as I dive deep into the world of AMD stock and see if I can figure out if it's really ready to explode. AMD has become a major player in the semiconductor industry, and all eyes are on them as we look to the future. With technology evolving and demand for computing power skyrocketing, it raises the question, what factors could influence AMD's stock price moving forward? Let's break it down. They're currently facing some significant challenges. Competition in the semiconductor market is fierce, with rivals like Intel and Nvidia constantly upping their game. This not only makes it tough for AMD to capture market share, but it also adds a layer of pressure that can affect stock performance. Additionally, with the volatility we've seen in the market, investors are more cautious than ever. Changes in global economies can shake up stocks like AMD, and with supply chain issues still lingering from past crises, it's creating a perfect storm of uncertainty. On top of that, AMD's delivery timelines for their products have experienced delays. Late launches can frustrate customers and investors alike, leading to potential dips in stock value. Investors are keenly aware that any hiccup in supply could hurt AMD's standing in a competitive market. Keeping close tabs on these challenges is crucial for gauging AMD's stock outlook. Diving into their recent earnings reports reveals some interesting insights. AMD has shown strong revenue growth, but they really need to maintain that momentum. Product launches like their new Ryzen and 8 processors have been well received, but can they keep up with demand? Industry trends are leaning towards AI and machine learning, which means if AMD can position itself as a leader in these areas, it could lead to significant growth potential. A key factor that could trigger a sudden shift in AMD's stock value is their partnerships. Strategic collaborations, especially related to AI technology or new chip advancements, could prove to be game changers. For instance, if AMD strikes a deal with a major player in tech, it could open new revenue streams and bolster confidence in the stock. Recapping our discussion, AMD is facing challenges but is also making significant strides in product development and industry presence. With the right moves, they could very well be poised for growth in the stock market. What do you think? Is AMD stock ready to explode? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to check out my analysis of other tech stocks.